What is up, guys? Rupture Tech here with a review and unboxing and comparison of the Galaxy S3 from 2012 to the Galaxy S21 Ultra from 2021. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I have this Galaxy S3 from Sprint. I got it off of eBay, but it's legit. It's never been opened, and it's Samsung's flagship phone from 2012. So let's unbox it. Starting off, we have to grab this, rip that open. Super satisfying. Don't need that anymore. Oh, I'm so nervous. Because, like, what if you could save these and 20 years from now, this is a relic and they're selling for like hundreds of dollars again. Got this for like 40 bucks. Here we go. Anything else in the box? Nope. There's nothing in the box. Here's the phone itself. Everything you need comes in the plastic package. So now we're gonna open this up. Hopefully it's not that difficult. There we go. Seems like you just pop it off. Oh, that's not good. I almost dropped the phone. Put that off to the side. Flip this open. There we go. So as you can see, we get all the instruction manuals and how to get started through Sprint, which obviously we're not going to do that. So don't need that anymore. Don't need that. Comes with these, they're looking like they're pretty cheap. Samsung Galaxy headphones. I'll put those to the test at some point. Comes with an original USB charger. I don't know if you can see that. So hopefully this starts up. Oh my gosh, I forgot how light this phone is. Just as a size comparison, this is the S21 Ultra. Sorry about the fingerprints. But this is like a piece of paper compared to this phone. That's crazy. We're gonna take this plastic wrap off. Oh, it hurts to take this off, but it's so satisfying. There we go. That is a clean phone. Take this off as well. It needs protection, am I right? Oh, that one's not satisfying. That's like stuck on. Don't need that. Man, this thing is small. I forgot. Now we just have to take the back cover off. We're gonna pop the battery in and see if it boots up. If not, I'm gonna go and charge it and I will get back with you guys. Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh, and that thing has power. Look at that. There's no way. There's no way it has power. Oh, there's the classic Samsung sound. From 2012, that is. So after setting the phone up, I can seriously say without a doubt that you should not use this phone in 2021. I had to download Nova Launcher because the stock TouchWiz was so miserably slow. Every other tap lag. You couldn't do anything with the stock TouchWiz. But Nova Launcher, as you can see, let me get that reflection out of the way. Nova Launcher, as you can see, is actually pretty smooth and it's pretty serviceable. Right there. You will see that it slows down so much. Lag. it's just very laggy. So that's why I had to just go back to Nova Launcher. But anyways, I downloaded some benchmarks to compare this against the brand new S21 Ultra. That's my beautiful fiance, by the way. And I want to just show you how much faster phones have gotten in a few years. So I couldn't get GFX Bench to work on both phones, or at least the Galaxy S3, but I did find another app called Kazja Benchmark that I can also get on the S21 Ultra. So we're going to try that right now. Let me turn the volume down. That is a huge difference. 31,029 versus 336,417. Up here, you can see on the S3, minimum was 11 frames, maximum was 19 frames, and the average was 15. And on the S21 Ultra, minimum was 137, maximum was 198, and the average was 168. So as you can see, from 2012 to 2021, that's already a huge difference. Now I'll go on to some photos and videos. I will put that on the screen right now. I honestly hope you guys were as impressed as I was. The difference 8 years makes in the world of Galaxy and in the world of mobile smartphones. As you can see, the S21 Ultra just outshines the S3 by miles. And it's very clear. Maybe as a first phone for a kid, this would be good. But other than that, no adult should be using it as a daily driver. I know I keep saying that, but very important. Don't waste your money on this phone. If you're a collector like I am, sure, go ahead. Other than that, don't bother. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.